Oh man, back to school. Got school. Ugh. Let me give you something to look forward to, and that's flipping out when you get home. That's right. I'm gonna show you guys today how to learn backflip, 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 continuous backflips on the trampoline. Pay attention here. Right now, I'm gonna show you guys easy, simple progression to break it down for you, so you can get this at home right now. But you gotta focus. You wanna jump on the trampoline, and you wanna start with a few backflips, okay? So, and you wanna spot yourself where you land, okay? Notice where you land. Am I too far forward? Am I back over here? You know, you wanna try to stay generally in the same spot. You also kind of want to land with your chest more up, okay? You can be slightly over, but you know, not like this. So once you get that down, and you're landing in the same spot, you do a backflip, you land, and then you bounce, okay? So, bounce. All right. Now I want you to backflip, land, bounce to the back or to the butt region, okay? So watch. Backflip, bounce. All right, optional little step here. You can do back, bounce, around. Let me show you how. Now we're gonna go back, bounce, around. All right, work on it slow. Make sure you're in the same place. Now, taking it up a notch. You guys remember the hack flip, right? Like this, like that, all right? This is, I guess, optional. If you're not a hack flipper and you're like, I hate with good form, you know, then the same for you. But if you're somebody who, you know, learned in the grime of the backyard, busting your butt every single day, doing whatever it takes, this is for you. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the backflip, land, and then you're gonna try to hack flip. You can put the hand down on the side that you look. So that's like a macaque. Or you can just spot it with your elbow like that, all right? So watch, ready? And then literally from there, all it is just, you wanna be sure you're landing more like straight up like this. Ready for another flip. And do your hack flip without putting your hand down, okay? Back flip, hack flip, whoa. I didn't touch my hand though that time. As you work on this, you know, at first it might look like this. It might look like that or something just really sketchy. So, but you work on this for a while, you'll start to feel that timing. When you're landing straight up, see that? Always, the key thing is just make sure you're staying in place, at least, you know, somewhat in place and not moving too much like far this way or like moving forward. I highly recommend having a net for this move, all right? So I don't have the net for filming purposes. Once you feel that tempo, you know, that tempo, all right? Then you can start to throw 1, 2. Yo, same thing for the 1 foot, the gainers on the trampoline. I mean, it's basically the same thing. See that? Don't do that. Okay. With that being said, that is how to learn to backflip, backflip, backflip on the trampoline with a simple progression. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for all your positive support. If you have any more suggestions, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. More videos coming out. Peace. Y'all have a good one. I'll see you all in the next video.